Nino? Marinette!
Don't ever talk to me again! I don't understand. What's happening?
Since you can't bring yourself to say the truth, I'll do it for you, Marinette. You and I are over! No!
If only you had the power to fix people's broken hearts. That way your boyfriend would love you again.
Marinette, it was a trap! Can you hear me?
I can give you that power. Only if you agree, of course.
What should I call you?
you?
Heartfixer.